Good day guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're self-employed and filling taxes with your TurboTax, here's a quick way and guide to get you through smoothly. So first let's go to the official website and select the TurboTax Self-Employed. This version is designed for freelancers, contractors and small business owners. After that, log in or create an account, then enter your basic details like your name, address and social security number. Right, after that guys, TurboTax will prompt you to add your 1099 NEC, 1099K or any other self-employment income. If you didn't receive these forms, you can manually enter your total income from records like invoices or bank statements. This is key for self-employed fillers. TurboTax will walk you through common deductions like home office costs, mileage, supplies, and software subscriptions. Be sure to have receipts or records handy to get the most accurate deductions. After that, TurboTax Self-Employed includes tools that automatically search for industry-specific deductions you might miss. Take your time reviewing those to reduce your taxable income. And once everything's entered, TurboTax will run an accuracy check and highlight potential issues. After that, choose e-file for the fastest refund process. And guys, filling as self-employed can feel overwhelming, but TurboTax makes it manageable by guiding you step by step. Just follow my steps and also the prompts on the website and you'll be good in no time. Thanks for watching guys. Press like on the video and subscribe. See you next time.